Crispy air fryer zucchini fries. Simple and delicious. Cut the zucchini into 3-inch sticks for that perfect fry. Perfect. Time to make the flour dredge. You can use your favorite spices. Ours is in the description. For keto, use almond flour. Now stir it up. Grab you a bowl and 2 eggs and whisk them together. Now we will introduce the panko to the parm. Stir this together. When you get this mixed, then you will want to spray your air fryer basket with a nonstick spray or with oil. Put your sticks into first, roll them around in your dredge. Then they're going to take a swim over here in the egg. And then that was a mess on my hand. Let me get another one here. And now they're going to roll around in the sand, aka parm panko. Roll them around in the panko mixture, get them coated good, add them to your air fryer basket, and lightly spray them on top.
Okay.
We'll take this over to the air fryer. We're going to put it in 400 degrees for 10 minutes. What a quick meal. Side dish. Fire in the hole. See you in 10. Look at those. They look so delicious. Bring that camera over here. Look. These zucchini fries will go with just about any dipping sauce you have on hand. Ketchup, pizza sauce, ranch, barbecue sauce. Look how delicious. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy.